Ni hao guys! Welcome back to Paula's World! Before anything else, I would like to congratulate Miss @tutubi on Instagram or Miss Olivia Tan for winning my previous giveaway, which is the Air Blender Sponge by Anakai. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that every time I get new uploads or every time I have my giveaways, you will be notified. You can join the giveaways. So, do you want to change your hair color, or do you want to dye your hair, or do you want to go to the salon but your budget is tight? Well, this video is for you because for today, we are going to review this Liese Creamy Bubble Hair Color, and I bought the shade Rose Tea Brown. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so before anything else, I would like to show you what's inside the box. So this is your solution 1, and then your solution 2, which is the developer, and it comes with the instruction as well. And this is your foamer cap. Then you have your 1 pair of gloves. Then you have your rinse off treatment, and the most important one is your instruction sheet. So before we proceed to the application, it's a must and it's very important to read the instruction first. It's also written here you have to do the skin allergy test procedure, but I will skip this one because this is not my first time. Actually, this is my second time to use it. And one more thing I can suggest to you is you use your dark colored shirt. As you see, I have changed my clothes, or if you have your old shirt, something like that, that you are not really using it anymore, so that it won't stain on your clothes. Before I proceed with dyeing my hair, I usually put some lotion over my ears, at the back of my ears, here in my forehead, just to make sure that, just in case some of the hair color will go to my skin or in contact with my skin, at least it's very easy to swipe or remove it with the cotton, and it won't make a stain on my skin. Any lotion that you have will do, no lotion in particular. And if you have that, you know, when you go to the salon, there's this like ear cap, something like that. If you have that one, it will be great, but I don't have, so that's why I just put some lotions on my ear. So now we'll go and mix our solution 1 with our solution 2 or the developer. So this one, you open this white color cap here, and then you mix your solution 1 to your solution 2. Just be very careful. Okay, you just pour everything. Okay, once you're done, you need to put back the white color cap. Don't put first the foamer cap. You just seal it first with the white cap, and then you don't have to shake it vigorously. You just mix the 2 solutions, flipping it in 180 degrees times 5 according to the instructions here. So you must really read the instruction. So how many times did I flip it over? Forgot. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's it, guys. So once you're done mixing your 2 solutions, then this is the time that you open your white cap. Just be very careful not to contact with your eyes. Then you replace with the foamer cap. And now it's ready to dispense to our hair. So we need the gloves. So like what I've said, I will put some lotion first on my ears. I will remove this one first. Okay. Ears. And important thing also, you remove your earrings first, your jewelries, okay, so that it won't stain also. So I put some lotion over my ears, under my ears, below, here at the side of the neck, and the other ear also. So I show you, because my hair color, like at the edge is already bright. This is the previous one, and you can see over my roots is already black, like darkened already. Okay, so let's proceed with the application. When dispensing the solution inside, you don't have to tilt, you just hold it upright and squeeze from here. When you squeeze, then you can see the foam will go out. See? Okay. And then here. Okay. Then you apply the foam. Okay. Then just continue doing it. Okay, after everything, you mix the hair dye to your hair. You just make sure that everything is really covered. I can see the bubble color is beginning to turn a bit pinkish. Yeah, so we just have to wait for 30 minutes and we will be back. Woo! Okay guys, so I just took a shower and we'll see how it looks like. Oh, so even though my hair is still wet, you still can see the color that it brightened up. There. Okay guys, I just blow dry my hair and let's see the difference. And we're back guys, and my hair is already dry. So let me show you. Wait, I need to remove my bandana. Wait. Okay. So I move closer so that you can see. And I show you on the roots also. On the roots. See? So the other side. So okay guys, let's now proceed to our final verdict for this Liese creamy bubble hair color. So let's start with the price. This one retails for $13.80. I bought this one at Watson's, and for my friends in the Philippines, this one is also available in the department stores like Robinson, and I saw this one also at Watson's. It retails for 400 plus pesos in the Philippines. So it's very cheap. Unlike when you have it in the salon, you need to pay a lot of money. And for the smell, it's tolerable. It's just like the same when you go to the salon and have your hair dye. It's still the same. And what I like the most is this rinse off treatment after I use this one. So I noticed that my hair smells good and it's very soft, and you know, unlike when you went to the salon and have your hair dye, after you feel like your hair is very dry, then they will offer you like, we have your hair treatment or hot oil or hair wax or whatever it is. So you have to pay extra money for that again. But this one, see, it's not drying, so I like it very much. As you can see, my hair is very soft and it's shiny. It doesn't feel like dry, super dry. So that's why I like it. And one more thing I like the most is that it's very convenient and very easy to use. You just use it like a shampoo. You just massage on your hair and then all the bubbles will go up. And look at the color, it's evenly distributed and I really like the color. And this Liese cream bubble hair dye got a lot of color variants to choose from, and I like that it doesn't stain. See, I move closer so that you can see. Here, no stain, no stain. At my ears, there are no stains here, cause I even apply from this side, this like small hairs here, and then from here at the roots here, the other side also from here, but it doesn't stain. It also helps that I apply the lotion, but because I try some of the other hair dye after, even though you put lotion, but then after which you know, like there's a square like stain from here, like when you go out, all the people will really notice that you just had your hair dyed. I just really love it and I hope you can try as well. So that's it for today, guys. I really can't stop, you know, like touching my hair. It's very soft, feels so soft and like shiny, and I like the color. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.